Hello my yarny friends, welcome to Linda's Crochet Nook, and I'm Linda, and today I've got a really nice parcel from Hobbii. So shall we dig in and see what I've bought? So they have the fall sale on at the moment, and of course I had to take advantage of that, didn't I? So let's see what I've got. Right, let's see. So let's see, on this piece of paper I've got Dahlia, and I got this is Dahlia, and look at that colour, isn't that gorgeous? This is a 2-weight, it's 100% cotton, 874 yards, which will make a nice shawl, and it's made in Denmark, designed in Denmark, made in India, and it's colour number 4, so that's that one. Then I've got this one, which is again the Dahlia, exactly the same, a 2-weight, and this is colour number 2, but look at the greys and the pinks in that, isn't that gorgeous? I bet my friend Gina will like that one, I know I do. And then I've got another Dahlia, oh no, I've got Azalea, 52% cotton, 48% acrylic. Let's see if I can find, just bear with, I just need to see if I've got a sheet. No, I haven't, never mind. And this again is a 2-weight, and there are 874 yards. Isn't that beautiful? That is gorgeous. Then we've got the Cotton Kings Sultan Deluxe. Look at the colours on there, aren't they beautiful? What is this? This is colour 27. It's a 2-weight again, 1093 yards, 100% cotton, 3 to 5 millimeter hook, or 2.5 to 3.5 knitting needle. And isn't that gorgeous? You can see the marl, the way the colours, that is gorgeous. I really like that one. What else have I got? I've got some more of these because I needed these for the 2 ponchos that I'm going to make, and these are the Universe. This one is 505 yards. It's a 1-weight, this one, and a 3.5 millimeter hook, an E for US, 3 to 3.5 millimeter knitting needle, and they're for the ponchos. So I got another 2 of them because I know the 3 that I've got wouldn't have been enough, so I needed to get another extra one of them. I've got another Azalea, and this is colour number 1, a 2-weight, 52 cotton, 48 acrylic, 2.5 to 3.5 millimeter needle, and a 3 to 3.5 to 4 millimeter crochet hook. I really like the burgundy on this, the way it goes from pale pink to deep pink to red and then to burgundy. Really like that one. What else did I get? Gina bought some yarn from Hobbii, the Knitting Turnpike, my dear friend Gina, and she showed the glitter. Well, of course, moi had to go and see what it was all about, and it's Twister. Love this yarn. I cannot recommend Hobbii yarn highly enough. I absolutely love their yarn. Beautiful to work with, and this is 53% cotton, 43% acrylic and 4% polyester. It's got a silver thread, and there are 1093 yards, and did I tell you that the colour is number 50? Look at the greens and the purples. Love them. Love, love, love them. And then last but not least, I got another azalea, which is 52 cotton, 48 acrylic, and it's a number 2 weight, and it's colour number 4. But look at all them greens. Really, really pretty. So, and then for my freebies, I got a tapestry hook, a tapestry needle, and some sweeties. And let's see, yeah, so that's that. So so that's my little yarn haul from Hobbii. I hope you enjoyed. I've got quite a few things there to make some really pretty shawls with, and even ponchos. So I've got more than enough, I think, for some nice lacy ponchos, or even cowls to go with hats and that. So keep your eye on future videos to see what I create with all this beautiful, beautiful yarn. Not that I need any more yarn. So what was your favourite? I can't really decide between that one and that one. You know, I love my purples, and that one. And then, so I've got azalea. I got 3 azaleas. Yeah, 3 azaleas, and I got 2 dahlia. And I love the way their flowers names, and this is another one of my favourites because this has got the purples and the, so I'd be interested to see what you like, what colour, what yarn you liked, and also what I should make with them. Until next time, everybody, take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. Bye for now.